Did you know that a year on Uranus lasts 84 Earth years? Imagine celebrating your first birthday on Uranus when you're already 84 on Earth. Now let's delve into the mysteries of this distant ice giant. Named after the Greek god of the sky, Uranus stands out in our solar system with its peculiar characteristics. Its extreme axial tilt, a staggering 98 degrees, means it spins nearly on its side, unlike any other planet. This results in dramatic seasonal shifts. Then there's its odd retrograde rotation, spinning in the opposite direction to most other planets. Ever wonder what gives Uranus its distinctive blue-green hue? It's the methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects the blue and green. Quite the spectacle, isn't it? Uranus is indeed a planet of peculiarities and extremes, a world of ice and gas that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Now that we've set the stage, brace yourself for a journey to Uranus that's out of this world. Let's plunge into the freezing truths of Uranus's environment. Imagine the most frigid winter day you've ever endured. Now, amplify that coldness by an extent beyond belief. Welcome to Uranus, one of the most frosty planets in our galaxy. The cloud tops of this celestial body reach a bone-chilling negative 224 degrees Celsius, or negative 371 degrees Fahrenheit. These severe temperatures are way beyond what human existence can endure without substantial technological advancements. But it's not just the severe cold that impedes human existence. Imagine attempting to land on a planet devoid of a solid surface. That's correct, Uranus is a gas giant. Its atmosphere seamlessly transitioning into water and other ices over a minuscule rocky core. It provides no platform to land or construct habitats in the way we would on a terrestrial planet such as Earth. Now, let's delve into the atmosphere of this far-off planet. It is primarily hydrogen and helium, with a significant portion of methane. This composition renders it unsuitable for human respiration and further contributes to the planet's extreme cold temperatures. The high methane content presents a danger of asphyxiation and potential explosive reactions with oxygen. These conditions are further complicated by high pressure that skyrockets as one descends into its atmosphere, reaching levels that would obliterate man-made objects and far exceed human endurance limits. And we mustn't overlook the extreme winds. Uranus experiences some of the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching velocities up to 900 kilometers per hour or about 560 miles per hour. These conditions would be incredibly hostile to human life or any attempt to establish a presence on the planet. But wait, Uranus still has more to reveal. If you're finding this fascinating so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Uranus's magnetic field isn't just your ordinary magnetic field, it's peculiar and tilted, leading to a dynamic magnetosphere. Indeed, the magnetic field of Uranus is a marvel and a mystery all at once. Unlike our Earth, where the magnetic field lines up neatly with the rotation axis, Uranus's magnetic field is offset. It's tilted at a staggering 60 degrees from the planet's axis of rotation. This odd alignment results in a magnetosphere that opens and closes as the planet spins, creating a dazzling light show of charged particles. But this spectacle isn't just for show. The strange magnetic field of Uranus exposes the planet to solar radiation, potent enough to rip atoms apart. This could pose a significant danger to human life, comparable to, and potentially more unpredictable than, the radiation belts around Jupiter. Yet as we cast our gaze away from the planet itself and towards its orbiting companions, we find a series of eerie moons, each with its own set of unusual characteristics. In the celestial dance around Uranus, we find no fewer than 27 moons. Some, like Miranda, boast some of the most diverse landscapes in the solar system, with cliffs towering 15 kilometers high. Then there's Titania, the largest of Uranus's moons, with a landscape marred by craters, canyons, and potentially even cryovolcanoes. Volcanoes that spew forth icy material. These moons, while fascinating, are also hostile environments. They are riddled with extreme temperatures, a lack of breathable atmosphere, and the ever-present danger of radiation from Uranus's magnetosphere. Despite their inhospitable nature, these moons could hold the key to understanding more about this distant and mysterious planet. Just as Uranus continues to challenge our understanding of what a planet can be, its moons defy our expectations and invite us to explore further into the unknown. Now, the question that's been on your mind, can humans survive on Uranus? To answer this, we must first address the major obstacles. Uranus is far from being an ideal climate. It's one of the frostiest planets in our solar system with extreme low temperatures. That's chillier than the dark side of the moon on a frigid night. But the freezing temperatures are just the beginning. Uranus is a gas giant with no solid ground. Instead, it seamlessly transitions from an environment of mostly hydrogen and helium into water and other ices over a small, stony core. Hence, there's no place to land or construct habitats as we might conceive on a terrestrial planet. Moreover, the atmosphere is a potent mixture of hydrogen, helium, and a significant amount of methane. Quite different from what we're accustomed to inhaling here on Earth. This methane not only makes the environment unsuitable for us, but also contributes to Uranus's severe cold temperatures. Plus, methane poses a risk of suffocation and potential for explosive reactions with oxygen. As if the freezing temperatures and the scarcity of oxygen weren't sufficient, the pressure on Uranus is incredibly high. As you go deeper into its environment, the pressure multiplies dramatically, soon reaching levels that would crush human-made objects and are way beyond what we humans could stand up to. And then there's the wind. Uranus is known for some of the harshest winds in the solar system, achieving speeds of nearly 900 kilometers per hour. These conditions would be extremely hostile to human life or any attempt to mark a presence on the planet. Finally, distance from Earth to Uranus is approximately 2.9 billion kilometers. With our current space travel technology, a trip to Uranus would take several years, making any rescue or supply missions extremely difficult. While it's currently impossible for humans to survive on Uranus, who knows what the future holds? So what's the future of human exploration on Uranus? The severe conditions there make it hard for humans, but that doesn't say we can't explore this enchanting ice giant. A possible method might be orbiting space vehicles or bases on its moons, rather than trying to live on Uranus. Imagine structures made by humans orbiting around Uranus. Fascinating, isn't it? With significant advancements in technology, this could turn into reality. The mysteries of Uranus still fascinate us. As we're expanding the limits of space exploration, we never know what we'll find next. Keep an eye out for more fascinating space content. Until next time, keep looking up.